Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you to the other part of the project Prometheus and unfortunately or fortunately depends on you, also the last episode of the project. I managed to condense this one a little more than the previous, the 304. So in today's video we will actually finish the project. So as you can see, this is the state of the model that we last saw. So in today's video, we will actually do the both hangars, the superstructure, and VLS tubes or other covers, and rail guns. So after that, as you can see, the model will be finished. So I will not really go into hangars. There are only 4 pieces, but I will end the same way with the missiles and the railguns. They will be simply plugged in, just like on the 304. So I will focus on the superstructure itself. So as you can see, this is the superstructure. We have this part and its counterpart. They have locks. They have holes here and those kind of holes. Then we have a top part. The top part has corresponding holes here, and inside those holes we will simply insert a peg so that the fit is better and the two halves are held together really nicely. Now we will add those cylinders. They could be theoretically part of those top pieces, but as you can see they are white. So I simply divided them because it's easier for me to paint them. Now this thing is actually joined. It will go through this hole and hold the bottom part. Yeah, two on each side. And then we have this part, this part. It has lock, so it is locked to this piece, and it also, as you can see here, it has those two pegs, and those pegs are going into this and this hole. So they basically hold everything together. And then this piece, it has pegs here and holes here. Here we have 4 connectors and also the 2 connectors that are inside. Those are those that I already mentioned. And the last piece is here. Yeah, it's once again, it has 4 holes that will go to the pegs. And that's it. That's the superstructure. So let's go to print. We will print everything and we will, well, paint everything, which I'm really looking forward to. And then we will assemble it and we will be done. So let's go. Okay, so here we have the parts. So first we start with the retrofitted hangars. So we have those 2 parts and simply slide them in, and then here we have a hole and we will slide it into this pack like this. And I already attached the second one. So yeah, those are the hangars. And now we will actually start with the superstructure.
Now on this one, as you can see, I already attached all those cylinders as well as this piece that will basically function as a clamp. On this one I only attached two of them, so here is the third one. Okay, like this, and like this. So now we can actually put them together. Yeah, we have two logs here, and we have these two parts. Once again, two logs here. As you can see, I already attached those two pegs, and now we can basically put it together. Okay. So this is this part, and now we will add it here. We have four holes here, so we will attach it, and now the lower part. So here we have this part which will come here. So okay, so this thing is here, and now this thing has two pegs, and here we have two holes and also the lock. So okay, it holds everything together, and now this thing has four pegs, and I already attached those four additional pegs, and here we have four holes. Okay, like that. Okay, here is the last part. I cannot unnotice that the color is a little bit different, more bright. It's because I ran out um, of the paint spray, and I guess that once it uh, runs out, it got more brighter. I don't know, but yeah, maybe I will paint spray it again. Who knows? Okay, this is the last part. Okay, I have to use quite a bit of force to actually put it there, but it's there. Okay, so now the only thing that remains are the guns. So all the VLS tubes and all the rail guns. Okay, so now I already printed and already inserted all the rail guns and all the VLS tubes or other covers. I didn't really bother to, record it because, well, it wouldn't be really interesting, to be honest. But as you can see, it is already there, which means that the Prometheus is done. All the details of the model as the model is finished. It's been way faster than I expected, certainly way faster than the 304. I will maybe experiment with the color, maybe a little bit, I don't know yet. We'll see. And here, as you can see, it is next to the 304. Both ships, both ships together. Okay, so this is the model. This is the project Prometheus. Once again, everything will be published on Thingiverse. So if you want, you can print it out for yourself. And well, yeah, I guess that's all for now. That's the conclusion of this project. I hope you liked it. If no, well, what can you do? So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and have a very nice day. And of course, have a nice holiday. Okay, bye bye and see you in the next year.